Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take your social media marketing agency to the next level and get business owners to literally beg to join your social media marketing agency, I want you to watch this video all the way through. I'm going to explain to you why business owners aren't joining your social media marketing agency, okay? And this is some powerful stuff, so I just want you guys to pay close attention because I'm going to get into some stuff that I believe that will help you guys that don't have clients. Maybe you want to scale up. You're not at $10,000 a month or $5,000 a month, and you want to be successful in SMMA. You've watched all the videos. Perhaps you haven't bought the courses yet. Maybe you have. Maybe you haven't. You don't have a coach, and you're just trying to figure out what is it. Why can't I get business owners to join my agency, Maurice? Well, I got some secrets that I'm going to share with you that you probably never thought of, and I want to pose those questions to you. Perhaps why you're not getting agency clients to sign up with you. Okay, some of you guys believe that because you're new you don't have clients. That's the farthest thing from the truth, ladies and gentlemen. When I first got started, I was brand new. I didn't have clients, I didn't have a website, I didn't have all the knowledge and all the experience, but yet I wore my sleeves up, went to work, and I came home with checks and credit card authorization forms and was able to pull in six figures my first year of doing this. So anyone can build a successful social media marketing agency, but there are some things that you have to be aware of before you get someone to write you a $1 to $2 to $3,000 check. So let's go ahead and dive in it, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are struggling, you need help in your agency, and you guys want to rip off my 4-step process, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the social media prospecting pro course as well as my coaching, where I can actually hold your hand and help you guys to get over your fears and phobias and crush it in SMMA literally in 30 days. Okay, so let's just dive into this training real quick to help you guys understand why agency or why business owners aren't joining your social media marketing agency. And you probably never thought of it. You thought that because you don't know how to do Facebook ads or Google ads, or you don't know how to do all this fancy stuff. No, it's because of KLT. Okay, KLT. I want you guys to write this down and remember this. Okay, I don't care how good you are at Facebook ads, how good you are at Google ads and outreach, or how many LinkedIn DMs you send, or Instagram or Facebook DMs or ads you run. If you don't understand KLT, okay, nobody's going to give you any money. Let me say that again. If you don't understand KLT, nobody's going to give you any money. Okay, so let's dive into KLT, because a lot of you guys think you need to watch more YouTube videos, you need to apply more. No. You got to understand KLT. Okay, first of all, no. Okay, if the business owner does not know you, ladies and gentlemen, he's not going to give you a check. Let me ask you guys a question. If someone emailed you out of the blue, FaceTimed you out of the blue, sent you, even a cold called you out of the blue, and they don't know you, okay, are you going to just write them $1,000 or $2,000 check? No. So why are you expecting business owners, okay, to write you a $1,000 to $2,000 check and they don't know who you are, okay? And that's the beautiful thing about making calls or reaching out. People have to know you first, and there's simple things you can do to get people to know who you are. Okay, you have to tell them who you are. Okay, you have to let them know, hey, my name is such and such, I'm involved in social media marketing. Here's some of the people I've worked with, or however, or my outsourcers have worked with. People have to know you. You have to ask questions. You have to establish yourself as someone that can help them. So they have to know you first, okay? No one's just gonna give you $1,000 check out of the blue. And that's why I always recommend my students and new people to meet with business owners in person, either at Starbucks, at their office, at your office, at a restaurant, or what have you, or do a Zoom call or something like that where somebody can get to know you. Okay, they can understand. It's kind of like you meeting a man or a woman, depending on what gender you are, and you asking them to marry you the first time you meet them. 9 times out of 10, that's not going to happen. I'm sure you probably didn't ask the person that you're with to be your girlfriend or boyfriend or husband or wife the first time you seen them. No, you have to establish that no factor first, okay? And then that person can decide, you know what, this is somebody I want to be with or what have you. So keep that in mind. If you want business owners to write you a check and you want to get clients, you have to give that client an opportunity to know you. And you can typically do that very quickly on the phone, on a Zoom call, in person or what have you. You can do that very quick. Doesn't take months, okay? You can establish that quite quickly, okay? The next one, okay? They have to like you. Okay, you got to understand that, ladies and gentlemen. If the business owner does not like you, they are not going to give you $1,000 or $2,000 check. Okay, plain and simple. All right. Now, how do people get to like you? Same thing. If you go back to relationships, okay, if you meet a person, you hit it off good, you have a good conversation, you start to say, "Ooh, this is somebody I like. They're funny. They know what they're talking about. They can help me. I really like this person." Okay. Once again, that can be established very quickly on the phone, on a Zoom call, or in person, okay? Or if you're sending some direct messagings or whatnot, and you're dialoguing back and forth, and that person is really getting a feel for you, that can be established rather quickly. But once again, a lot of us are ready for that business owner to give us a quick $1,000 check right away without them knowing us and without them liking us, meaning that, oh man, you know what? He's very knowledgeable. I really like this person. Maybe I would like to do business with them. That's what I mean, ladies and gentlemen, by letting them know, hey, I'm here to help you, not sell you, but help you. And that's the key thing. A lot of you guys have commission on your breath. You just want that check right away. You don't care if that business owner knows or like you or anything. You just want to get that client, but you have to slow down and understand the know, the like, and the last one. This is important. Trust. The business owner has to trust you. All right. Once again, that can be established rather quickly on the phone, on the Zoom call, or in person. Okay. How do you get somebody to trust you? This is something that I'm going to share with you. That's a secret that I love to share with you guys when I'm making cold calls, and why people open up to me is I ask questions. This is the strange thing about us humans is when you are asking a person questions, okay? You ask that business owner a ton of questions. It's funny that they begin to trust you. Okay, the more questions you ask, the more that person trusts you. Okay, let me give you an example of this. Have you ever asked somebody on the phone when you're making cold calls a certain question? They'd be like, you know what? I'm not going to ask that question because they don't trust you. So they don't want to reveal certain things to you. And that happened to me when I was new, when I was making cold calls. I would ask a business owner, how much money are you investing in advertising? And they would say, I don't want to share that with you. The reason why they were saying that to me is because they didn't trust me. Okay, I should have asked them some smaller questions to lead up to that particular question, but I was just going for the gusto. It's kind of like asking a person to give you their social security number when you first meet them over the phone. Okay, and I've worked at call centers before, and they always told us to start off with the phone number, the address, or what have you, and things of that nature, and then you kind of ask for that social security number at the very end, okay? Because the more that person answers your questions leading up to that big one, the more they're starting to trust you. And it's the same thing with you building that rapport, whether, like I said, in person, over the phone, Zoom call, or what have you. Okay, whatever outreach method that you're using, you have to ask a ton of questions. And the more questions you ask, you're going to start to build that trust. That business owner is going to open up to you and say, hey, you know what? I need more leads. I need to be on social media. You know what? I was with this other company before and they ripped me off, and I end up wasting thousands of dollars. You know what? I need your help. They're going to start to reveal to you their hot buttons, okay? And once a business owner knows you, they like you, and they trust you, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? Now you at the point where you can get social media marketing clients. The reason why new people are struggling, ladies and gentlemen, right now, if you're new and you, let's say you've been dialoguing with business owners, they don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you because you haven't established the know, like, and trust factor. Okay, you have to establish that if you want people to, or business owners to, give you $1,000 and $2,000 checks. Think about it. Would you just all of a sudden write somebody a $5,000 or $6,000 check if you don't know, like, and trust them? Of course not. Okay. And the last one, belief. You have to believe in yourself. A lot of you guys don't believe you can get clients, so therefore you don't get clients. When I first started, ladies and gentlemen, I believed in myself, and the business owner was able to feel that enthusiasm. I didn't have any new clients. I didn't have any case studies. Okay, all I showed them was Google AdWords. I showed them, what the Facebook Manager is and how I can target. Okay, and I had belief. I said, hey, if you give me an opportunity, I'll make sure your phone is ringing. I'll make sure you're getting clients. It was something that they felt. It was something that I really didn't say, but they felt it. Okay, it's kind of like when your spouse or something says, hey, I want you to be home at a certain time, or whatever the case, or get here now, or you tell your son or daughter or somebody, hey, get over here now. You don't even really have to yell, but it's just something about the way you say it. They know that you are serious. And that's the same thing. You got to believe in yourself. If you guys don't believe you can help that business owner, they're going to feel it and they're not going to do business with you. Okay, and so these are some things that you got to keep in mind as a new person. You have to believe in yourself. Okay, and that's why it's important to read books, to get a coach, to get the courses, work on your mindset, so when you're sitting down with clients, ladies and gentlemen, they can feel your enthusiasm and they know that you can help them. Okay, and it's all about believing in yourself. You don't need all these case studies and all this other stuff that people are telling you need. You just got to believe in yourself. A lot of you guys don't believe you can make cold calls. You don't believe you can do cold emails or Facebook ads or Looms or whatever, or meet with business owners. And if you don't believe it, ladies and gentlemen, it'll never materialize. So you got to believe in yourself. And these are the key factors that I believe so many people are struggling with and that they are missing, is they don't understand the know, like, trust factor, and they don't believe in themselves. They're watching all the videos, they're trying to figure this out, and they just don't understand why they can't get a client. It's because the people don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, and you don't believe in yourself. Okay, so if you guys want to fix this, and you said, Maurice, hey, I need someone to take me by the hand, I just don't believe, I need help, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for a strategy session or some coaching. Sign up for the course. In my course, I work on your mind and help you guys to get over the edge so you can get clients. Okay, most of this stuff is psychological, and you guys are missing the psychological aspect. All you guys want to know is the technical. It's only about 3 to 4% technical. The rest of this stuff is mental. If you guys don't get this mental stuff down pat and start believing in your mind that you can make 100,000 or 200,000 or 20,000 a month, it'll never manifest out here. It's all about the mindset. So you guys gotta believe in yourself if you want to crush it in social media marketing. Okay, plain and simple. All right, so you guys watch this video over and over. I think it'll really open you up and help you guys to crush it going forward. I know we're in the midst of some trying times right now, but you still got to believe, and you still got to keep moving so you can serve your fellow man. Okay, so guys, comment below, hit the thumbs up, make sure you guys subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought about this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.